Bank locker security with face recognition project. In this project we are using Raspberry Pi official camera of 3.6 megapixel, nanometer and 5 megapixel with IR filter. Raspberry Pi case for safety, cooling fan of 12 volt which is connected with this input output circuitry and power supply. This circuit will get power supply from 12 volt adapter like this. 12 volt is coming to this jack and it will directly send to this fan for cooling purpose. This is voltage regulator, this is MOSFET, this is buzzer, and these two are NPN transistors. 1, 2 and 3 in white colors are MOSFETs. They are optocouplers. They are used to operate this MOSFET and these two transistors to make them able to work with buzzer, flash LED lights and servo motor which is required for this door operation. But Raspberry Pi will not operate on 12 volt or cannot drive proper 5 volt supply for servo or buzzer or flashlight. So we are using GPIO pins of Raspberry Pi, taking this cable from that GPIO connections and connected with input side LED side of this opto isolator or optocoupler. They are connected with in series with these LEDs. So if this optocoupler is on, we can see the activity on this LED, individual LED for all three optocouplers. Output of that optocoupler, which is transistor side, it is also NPN type transistor side optocoupler. So the output of that optocoupler transistor side goes to these two transistor or to a MOSFET. MOSFET will drive this flash LED or buzzer via this transistor or servo frequency driving via this transistor. This is connection for PIR motion sensor which is fitted inside the locker room. This is PIR 321 module. We have internal open switch. If a person is present inside the locker and he wants to come out after finishing his work, he will just press the switch and door will be open. This is servo motor to move this door. Here we are using metal visors and these two are magnets to make this perfect fit. And if you want to open for demonstration, you can open it also. So it is foldable, detachable. We are using Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. This is open LED, open switch. So when we press this switch, Raspberry Pi will check for image via this camera module. It will take image. If a person or a face of any person detects in that program or that script, it will capture it and store it in a backup folder and keep for recognition. After that, storing that picture, if a recognized person, known person is present, if recognized face is present, it will operate this door, drive the buzzer for one time and send that image to a IoT cloud which is connected with this application Raspberry Pi based security system. Now it is checking. These are settings. Check manually or save that setting. Now the last entry was authorized, so it is showing authorized. It is downloading image of last known person used. Here is a developer image XYZ. Same image will be stored on a cloud in a backup folder and also in a folder of Raspberry Pi, which is situated in desktop Raspberry Pi Maliba project. Now we will start the project. As you start the 12-volt supply, this fan will start rotating, but you have to give additional power supply of 5 volt to a Raspberry Pi. This is official Raspberry Pi adapter, 5 volt power supply, at least 2.5 ampere, and this is power supply inlet we are using. After starting that power supply, we will have to take 1 or more 2 or 3 minutes between. We will have to, and hotspot we are using this phone and a hotspot. These credentials are stored in this Raspberry Pi. The same hotspot or Wi-Fi connection is connected for this desktop. In this desktop we are using VNC viewer. After going to VNC viewer, we will go to this ID 192.168.43.19. It is previously connected. As we click on this, it will ask for a password. If it do not ask for password, that you have to use another address. It depends on your hotspot connections, how many, and which phone you are using. We are using this right now. We will enter password, that is Raspberry. This is default. If you click this, it will not ask for password next time on this desktop. Okay, as you can see, the VNC desktop is available. Now we will go to Bank Project Maliba. Now we have a backup folder, which is previously used images are here. We have stored images folder also, and we have training images folder also here. So all things are kept in one folder, that is Bank Project Maliba. Now we will start the Maliba final. As we open this file, the Python IDLE script editor will open. Then we will go to run and run that module. After running that module, we will get this cell. It will take some time. It will go to internet and check for internet connection also. It will also check the upload module, download module, camera module, and internet access module. All the training and images path are here: train path, store path, backup path. Now camera module ready, upload module ready, server ready, record OK. Now it is loading phases. These are training sequences of all persons which are recognized or which will be recognized as authorized person. Each person will take 1 minute to 2 minutes. We are using only 5 images of each. In real world we will have to use at least 1000 images for better accuracy. Due to first startup, it will send warning of motion alert inside that room. It will have take place 1 or 2 times and then it will stop. Now we will get information system ready again. If the motion is detected, it will send a message, motion sensor detected inside locker room, door 1 closed, result updated. Now we can see all this information on mobile application also, that is IoT application, which is here. Last access person will be shown in image and we will get motion alert inside locker unsafe notification instead of authorized access, and door remained closed. If you open the top cover of this project, it will also detected by that motion sensor. Now we will press this open switch here from outside, then the flashlight will start and take a picture. It has taken a picture. This vibration is due to server activity because we are using the same GPIO pins and port for GPIO access and server operation. Now we have message on application, authorized, a name of that person, this is XYZ, that for developer. We have also information, backup for record image is updated, door 1 close again, ready for next image. So the first image is door 1 close, false, 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 false. The developer last 4 images 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is accepted. Door 1 open, door is opened and will close in 10 seconds. Then result will be updated. Now result is updated, old image deleted, new image updated, backup for record image uploaded. All these records are updated to a Google Cloud of file storage, which is linked with this account and with that IoT application. So this is the demonstration of this project. Hope you will understand some data and use it. Thanks for watching.